Hi everyone, lately people group buying is in a situation. It's Facebook's fault. Lately it was hidden invitation. Invitations to be an administrator, but the person who was invited has not yet accepted. Cannot be eliminated. Click on these three dots. It can't load anything. It cannot delete or cancel invitations like these. I just found a utility. It's very good. So that we can cancel all these invitations in just one button, You can cancel as many invitations as you want. So that this utility can be used on Google. Everyone, please follow my instructions. Then link to the utility I have under the comments section. Here it is. Everybody press it. Wait for it to retrieve the utility. It's done. At this step, people right-click and click this. That's it. To add extensions to Google, it's just like any other utility. We have to open, that's the utility part. Expand at the small corner .ba on the right of Google. Then everyone is in. At this step, we enable developer mode. That's it. Then click here. Find the one before. Click open. To this step, just press 1, select this. So, I've successfully added the extension to Google. It's very simple to use. Let's pin it in first. Go back to Facebook. This is also very useful for those who don't know where to find the administrator invitation. You can transfer languages over here. People can switch languages. This is to find groups. For example, I have this group. I want to. If you click on it, it will show itself. Scan for hidden admin invitations. Then, in this group interface, people open the utility again. On the right is the administrator invitation. And then search for admin invitations. Then it will show the admin invitations that they haven't accepted yet. People see it, just like Chang here. We just need to cancel the invitation. Wait for it to run. Cancel all invitations. So it worked very quickly. 100 invitations or hundreds of invitations, it's still that fast. It's very fast, people. I'll come back here to check. Reload. Reload page. So, I have canceled all admin invitations. But they haven't agreed to be admins yet. This helps avoid the risk of losing the group. It would be safer to buy Facebook groups that way. That's it. Thank you. Please follow and share if you find it interesting. Please give me a like and a subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you all, bye-bye. Thank you for following. If you guys are still difficult at any step, leave a comment and I will guide you in detail. See you all in the next videos.